This is why the MiG-21 is called the AK-47 of the skies. And everywhere. Let's see why this jet is a living legend. First flown in 1956. Thundered into history with over 11,000 built. It served in more than 60 countries. Talk about global domination. This jet hits Mach 2. Twice the speed of sound. It's so easy to fly. Even rookie pilots felt like aces. The MiG-21 fought in wars in Vietnam and in the Middle East. And guess what? Some are still flying today. Almost 70 years later. Need a fast fact legend? Look up, the MiG-21 is probably still out there.